welcome to Low Key PD. In this tutorial, I'm going to show you how to access the main page in Google Vids. To begin, in order to access Google Vids, you want to go to docs.google.com/videos while you're logged in. That should take you to the main page. You probably don't have any videos there if it's your first time accessing it, but otherwise, once you start making videos, it'll look something like this. And here's how to get around this page. If you look on the upper left-hand corner, you're going to see this little hamburger menu, and if you click on it, you're going to get links to other Google apps. If you click on these, it's just going to take you to those apps, and you won't be in Google Videos anymore, so be careful how you use that. It will take you there, but you will exit this app if you click on that. Second, there's a search bar, so if you've got a lot of videos, you can search for videos by name, maybe creation date, any keywords that might be in it. It would make it easier to find. You can filter your videos by clicking here, owned by anyone, owned by me, not owned by me. This will tell you when it was last opened. This button right here, this is your view selector. Right now I have it in list view. If you click on grid view, you'll see all of your videos turn into like little tiles. You can sort your videos, last opened by me, last modified by me, last modified by title, and you can open the file picker. Now when you open the file picker, it is only going to show you other videos. There's not really a lot you can import into these, although there are some things you can do, which we'll cover in later videos. But if you're just going to select a file, it typically is only going to show you Google video files. If you select one of your videos, this little snowman menu, click on that, you'll see that you can rename videos, remove them, which is just fancy for moving it to the trash, or you can open it in a new tab. If you just open the video on its own, it will open it in the current tab. So if you want to have this page open while you work on your project, you might want to consider opening it in a new tab. And then lastly, this little plus button down here, create new video. If you click on this, a little window will pop up and you can give Google Video some direction. A lot of this is powered by AI, so it will generate videos for you. This will be the subject of another video using this little menu interface here, but that's how you can get started using Google Videos. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more tech tutorials, and you can find my videos on YouTube by searching Low Key PD.